Hi everyone! Today I thought I will share with you how I decorated my nightstand that I did as a tea time project. So if you're into home styling, keep on watching. I started off by prepping the cage. It's a very small cage that I got from Aliexpress that is capable of holding a tiny candle. It has all of those leaves around it, but I just felt like it's missing something and I needed to make a Porsche cage out of it because at the moment it's definitely a Fiat. I detached the cage from the hook and candle holder so it would be easier for me to put stuff inside it. To add some depth to the cage, I'm gonna fill it in with some stones. I have 4 polished shungite stones that provide electromagnetic field protection, so they are really good for bedside to protect you from technological pollution during your sleep. Since I don't have many of those, I will fill in the rest of the cage with those tiny pink stones. I just put some of those into my hand and tried to slide them into the cage. I think that's just the quickest and easiest way of getting the stones inside. And then I'm just squeezing the shungite stones wherever there is just a bit less of the pink stones. In the center, where there is a place for a candle, I will insert a pink plastic flower that fell off from one of those flower lamps. Right, so it already has some depth inside the cage, but I feel like it's still quite lifeless outside of the cage. So here I'm gonna use colorful birds that I got from Lidl a while back. The birds are well made to be displayed as a decoration and just the right size for the cage, so why not? I'm gonna go with the burgundy one. I'm attaching them through the pins at the bottom. And I'm gonna go with the light pink one at the top to focus on the brightness when you first look at the cage. I also have a set of vintage paper cards from Aliexpress that are just so pretty and I just need to use them. Since we are going with the birds theme, I have selected paper cards with birds and trees or flowers on them. To add extra layering and story to the decoration, I'm gonna put this medieval time looking watch, which has a lot of mystery to it. The ring provides some love story aspect, with the flower being common theme here with the inside of the cage. Some dried flower, thought it might add some more texture and a bit of romance. And a wooden coaster because I need to put my teacup somewhere and it just fits very well with the birds as well. Okay, so it's time to arrange it all together. I put the 2 paper cards in a somewhat messy way on my bedside and placed the cage slightly on it. Then I positioned the watch under the cage, but in a way that the inside of the clock is visible when you are standing in front of it, and left the ring very close to the bird to bring attention to the bird whenever the ring sparkles in sunshine. Since the bird is darker color than the ring's flower, it is contrasting very well, whereas we would not get the same effect if the light pink bird would be placed here. And finally, squeezing the dried flower to the back and placing the coaster close to the bed. And that's it! It's so pretty and just makes me smile when I walk into the bedroom every time because it has all those positive, romantic and kind of medieval vibes. And when you think about it, it has all the good symbolism behind it as well. For example, flower represents passion and life. Birds are outside of the cage, representing freedom. The clock symbolizes that the time for love might be limited, and so we should use it wisely. Just making up my story here. And the wooden coaster is like sitting on a tree with a cup of tea, daydreaming. I mean, it's just really pretty. But yeah, do let me know if you like it and if you enjoyed the tea time project type of videos, and I will make sure to do more of them or less of them. Thank you so much for watching and make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Mugolicious content. And if you're a coffee lover, you might want to check out my Amazon merch with the cutest designs ever. The link is in the description box below. Have a terrific day and see you next Thursday day.